And for your Beowulf reader response. You will complete this assignment on the Google slide document, or you will complete it in a Microsoft PowerPoint document. Follow the directions at the top of the screen in order to do so. The key ideas for this assignment are: what cultural values of the Anglo-Saxons are revealed in this text? Be careful to note the Christian influence that is most likely not in the original story. What motivates Beowulf's behavior? Grendel's. How does the language of the text impact the reader and listener? Okay, so here's how you're going to be graded. I am looking for an in-depth response. I want you to prove that you've read and understood the story, and it is much better to write more than the page can hold than giving one or two answers. You need to write in complete sentences, rephrasing the question where appropriate. Okay, so if you would like to earn an A on this, this is how you're going to do it. Okay? You have fully engaged with the text on a deep level and have numerous connections with it. Your responses are consistently thoughtful and fully explained in complete sentences with relevant details and examples. Your logic is sound and there are no grammatical errors. Okay? So numerous connections will get you into an A+. Okay, so as you're reading this, you're going to see important instructions on the right-hand side of the document. Make sure you read through all this carefully because it is going to help you as you progress. Read the stanzas as they come to you and then answer the question. So where can you find the influence of Christianity in this written version? So follow the instructions and then type your answers when indicated. You'll complete all of these questions as you go throughout the entire reading. You should be expected to have already read this at least once, and by now you should know to fully understand a poem, you need to read it more than once. So if you find yourself reading this over and over again, that's okay. You're supposed to be reading this information more than one time because it's a lot to get in there. Okay, as you're going through, make sure you're giving those in-depth responses, and don't worry if your words fall off the bottom of the page. I can still read it, and I would much rather you write too much than too little. Okay, remember, this is a 400 level course. I want to see writing from you. You will be expected to complete all of the writing for every single one of these questions. Okay, and then as you go through this, you're going to be looking at purpose, theme, a lot of different aspects of reading that we will cover in this assignment. Okay, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and thank you very much.